ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद in Kanva Shakha. We are seeing page number 312. Ika. So, Loka Shabda, according to Bhashyakara, Siddhanti, is Karma Phalam. Purvapakshi said it is Paramatma. So, Purvapakshi means Bharta Prapancha, that is negated. Further now, मुक्तेर अनित्यत्व दोष समाधिस तर्हि केन प्रकारेण स्यात् इति आशंक्याः। मुक्तेः अनित्यत्व दोषः, समाधि मीन्स समाधानम. Siddhanti said that if it is karma phalam, it will be anityam and it will remain as karana rupa. Karana is avidya, and therefore that karma phala which is anitya, if you say that is mukti, through karma phala if you get mukti, then that mukti will be anitya. Mukter anityatva dosha samadhis. Then kena prakarena syat, kena prakarena syat. 21 number tippani. He says if it is jnana sadhya also, it is still sadhya, then it also will be anitya sadhyatvat. Siddhanti says अतः आत्मानमेव स्वं लोकम आत्मानमिति स्वं लोकम इत्यस्मिन् अर्थे स्वं लोकम इति प्रकृतत्वात् इह च स्वशब्दस्य अप्रयोगात् उपासित. मूल वाक्य इज आत्मानम एव लोकम उपासित. आत्मानम एव मीन्स स्वम लोकम, आत्मानम इति स्वम लोकम इति अस्मिन् अर्थे स्वम लोकम. In Tika every word is explained this way. Atma Shabdartham aha swam lokam. Atmanam eva means swam lokam. Then tadeva sphutayati. Atmanam means Atma alone. Atma Shabdasya prakrita swaloka vishayatve. Etvantaram aha. Atma Shabdasya prakrita swaloka vishayatve. Atma Shabda is swaloka. Swaloka means Atma. Why? First he says, Swam lokam iti asmin arthe swam lokam iti prakritatvat. Swam lokam, this is the prakranam, prakritatvat. Because he started this discussion by saying swam lokam, right? In the mantra. Swam lokam adrishtva. Asmat lokat swam lokam adrishtva praiti. So that was one. That is prakritatva. Then hetvantaram. What is the second hetu? Iha cha swa shabdasya aprayogaad upasita. Iha cha swa shabdasya aprayogaad. Iha vakya, asmin vakya. So in this vakya, swa shabda is not given. Atmanam it is given. So I hope you are keeping the mantra somewhat in mind so that at least you will have the idea. Swam lokam upasita, then Atmanam eva lokam upasita. So Atmanam eva when it is given means Swam is not given, but you should understand Atma itself is Swa. Here Swa Shabda Prayoga is not done. Why? टीका प्रयोगे तो पुनरुक्ति भयात अर्थांतर विषयत्वम अपि स्याद इत्यर्थ. If the prayoga is done against swa, then punarukti would happen. And atmanam eva swam lokam upasita. If this way, if it was given, then somebody may think it is like another upasana. That is what he says, arthantar vishayatvam api syat. Because when it said mano brahmeti upasita, so it is very clear mana is different, brahma is different. And you have to take mana as brahma. So atmanam eva swam lokam upasita. So somebody will think atma is different, swam loka is different, but you have to do some upasana. This is arthantara or vishayantara. To avoid that, Shruti has given this way. विद्याफलम आकांक्षा द्वारा निक्षिपति. विद्याफल आकांक्षा द्वारा निक्षेप मीन्स he puts it there. 6 number tippani darshayati is shown. विद्याफलम किम सय आत्मानमेव लोकम उपास्ते तस्य किम इत्युच्यते न अस्य कर्म क्रियते न हास्य कर्म क्रियते. आत्मानमेव लोकम उपास्ते. ठीक है. कर्मफलस्य क्षयित्वम उक्त्वा. That the halant should be there. उक्त्वा कर्मणो अक्षयत्वं वदतो व्याहतिम आशंक्य आह. कर्मफल हैज क्षयित्वं कर्मफलस्य. उक्त्वा कर्मणो अक्षयत्वं वदतः. पूर्व पक्षी said karma is akshaya. So this is vyaghata. If karma phala has kshaya, karma also will have kshaya. Vadato akshayatvam vadataha vyahatim ashankyaha. There is vyahati. So what is this? See, in the bhashya what is given? Tasya kim iti uchyate naha asya karma kshiyate. Right? What is the swabhava of karma? Anityatva. Kshiyate it will be. Its swabhava is kshaya. So if you say Jnani's karma will not have kshaya and karma swabhava is kshaya, this is vyahati. So that's why Siddhanta gives the answer now. Why tasya karma na kshiyate? He says karma abhavat eva iti nitya anuvada hai. Karma abhavat karma na kshiyate. Because there is no karma only. नित्य अनुवादः, नित्यस्य अनुवादः, कर्मभावादेव अस्य कर्म न क्रियते, नित्य सिद्धस्य एव कर्मभावस्य अयम् अनुवादः. नित्य सिद्ध इज आत्मा. In atma there is no karma. Karma bhavat karma na kshiyate. For Brahma there is no karma. For Jnani there is no karma. There is no karma sambandha. Therefore there is no kshaya. So if it is said this way, Brahma has no karma kshaya, then we will understand. If it is said Jnani has no karma kshaya, then we will have question. How Jnani has no karma kshaya? Because you want to say Jnani's karma kshaya will happen. So first is said from Brahma standpoint, then later different way it is said. वाक्यस्य विवक्षितम अर्थम वैधर्म्य दृष्टान्तेन व्याचष्टे. This vakya that nahasya karma kshiyate, its vivakshita artha through vaidharmya drashtanta it is given. Vaidharmya drashtantena vivakshitam artham vyachashte. यथा यथा विदुषः कर्मक्षय लक्षणं संसार दुःखम सततमेव न तथा तद अस्य विद्यते अस्य विदुषः इत्यर्थः. Just as for avidusha अज्ञानी कर्मक्षय लक्षणम संसार दुःखम सततमेव, all the time. Either you can separate the two or you can put them together. One is for Ajnani, Karma Kshaya is all the time there. Karma Kshaya is all the time there means Karma Kshaya is there for everybody. Ajnani thinks I have karma phala. Therefore, in his life, Anityatva is constant. Jnani understands I am Brahma, I have no karma phala. Means there is no problem. This is one. And second, sansara dukkham. For Ajnani, sansara dukkham is satatam eva. Sansara dukkham is also there. Sansara dukkham because of anityatva or sansara dukkham because some or the other issues always are there. So satatam eva. Na tatha tadasya vidyate. Asya vidushaha. Jnani doesn't have this. Avidusha iti chhedaha. Avidusha iti chheda yatha avidusha. There padachheda you have to do yatha avidusha. Further in tika karma kshaye api va vidusho dukkha bhave drashtantama. Now this is second case va vikalpena. Even if you take for jnani karma kshaya, for Brahma there is no karma kshaya. Why? There is no karma. For Jnani, there is no karma. Even if you accept karma kshaya api. Karma kshaya can be there, dukkha bhava is there. Dukkha bhave drishtantama. Mithilayam pradiptayam name dahyati kinchana iti yadvat. Who says this? Janak Maharaj. Even if the whole Mithila gets burnt, I have nothing. So this shows that for Jnani also something is anitya, but sansara dukkham is not there. Vidusho dukkha bhava. So this is the second way of understanding na hasya karma kshiyate. Na hasya karma kshiyate, one is Brahma doesn't have karma. Second, if you take it Jnani, even if there is karma kshaya, there is no dukkham. Atmanam ityadi केवल ज्ञानान मुक्तिरिति एवं परतया व्याख्यातम संप्रति तत्र भर्तृ प्रपंच व्याख्याम उत्थापयति. Now here also भर्तृ प्रपंच व्याख्या has भेद. आत्मानम इत्यादि केवल ज्ञानान् मुक्तिः इति एवं परतया व्याख्यातम अस्माभिः. By us, this way व्याख्यानम is done. Atmanam iti eva lokam upasita means only through jnanam you will have moksha. Now, what is Bhartru Prapancha Mata? Bhartru Prapancha Mata is Samuchaya. He will say, you do Samuchaya of, see, their Mata, Jnana Karma Samuchaya is possible. They will say Brahma Jnanam and Karma Samuchaya is there. We in Advaita, we say Brahma Jnana Karma Samuchaya is not possible. Therefore, whenever there is Samuchaya of Karma with Jnanam, that Jnanam you should take as Upasana. But they say, no, it is possible. They don't have these logical issues that we raise as objection. So he will say, Kevala Jnanan Mukti is not true for him. He'll say, Jnana Karma Samuchayat Mukti. स्वात्मलोकोपासकस्य विदुषो विद्या संयोगात् कर्मैव न क्षीयते इति अपरे वर्णयन्ति. स्वात्मलोक उपासकस्य, because आत्मानमेव लोकम उपासित, that atma means स्वस्य आत्मा स्वात्मलोक. उपासकस्य विदुषः विद्या संयोगात् कर्मैव न क्षीयते. He says because there is vidya sanyoga, ज्ञान संयोग is there, therefore there is no karma kshaya. इति अपरे वर्णयन्ति. भर्तृ प्रपंचादि मतानुसारिणः अपरे. आत्मलोकोपासकस्य कर्माभावे कथम तद अक्षयवाचो युक्तिः इति आशंक्य. Atma loka upasaya, because he is doing Atmanam eva loka upasita, so there is no karma. Karma bhave, katham tad akshaya vachaha. Vachaha vakya. Vachaso yuktatvam. Vacho yuktihi means vachasaha yuktatvam. Siddhanti said because there is no karma, therefore there is no akshaya. Purva Pakshi says karma bhave, how there is akshayatva, means why there is no kshaya. This kind of vakya is not yukti yukta. Iti ashankya. Karma bhavasya asiddhim abhisandhaya. Karma sadhyam lokam vyakrita avyakrita rupena bhinatti. Karma bhavasya asiddhim abhisandhaya. Karma bhavasya asiddhim. Siddhanti said there is no karma bhava. Purva Pakshi says karma bhava, there is no karma. Therefore there is karma bhava. Purva Pakshi says karma bhava is asiddha. Asiddhim abhisandhaya. All now whatever is going to come, all of that is Bhartru Prapancha. In Bhashya, the next 4 lines on 314, all of that is Bhartru Prapancha Mata, apare. So how do they explain? Abhisandhaya karma sadhyam lokam vyakrita avyakrita rupena bhinatti. They say karma sadhya loka is of 2 types. Vyakrita loka, avyakrita loka. So see their matam now. In Bhashya, loka shabdarthancha karma samavayinam dvidha parikalpayanti kila. Means they do kalpana. What do they say? Loka shabdartham, which is karma samavayi, means karma sadhya. द्विधा परिकल्पयन्ति. They say that loka shabda has two meanings. कर्म समवायिनम ज्ञान कर्म समुच्चय अनुष्ठान फलम. As I said, for them, jnana karma samuchaya is not a problem. So they will do it. And they will quote Ishavasya, Vidyam cha avidyam cha. Kila. Kila is given in Bhashya. Tikakar is going to say, see, Tika. औत्प्रेक्षिकी कल्पना न तु श्रौति इति वक्तुम किल इति उक्तम. This is only outprekshiki kalpana. It is only utpreksha. Means some anumanam they have done. Tarkamulika. That there is jnana karma samuchaya possible and in two types. Vyakrata rupena, avyakrata rupena. It is not shruti based, na shrauti. Shrauti kalpana. वक्तुं किल इति उक्तम्. तत्र आद्यं लोकशब्दार्थम् अनुद्य तद उपासकस्य दोषम् आह. Now first one is Vyakrita Loka Shabdartham Anudya Tad Upasakasya, that its Upasaka Dosham Aha. Its dosha is given. Eka iti. Parichinnaha in Bhashya first. Eko Vyakritaavasthaha Karmashrayo Loko Hiranyagarbhakyas Tang Karma Samvayinam Lokam Vyakritam Parichinnam Ya Upaste Tasya Kila Parichinna कर्मात्मदर्शिनः कर्म क्षीयते. एकः लोकः, एकः लोकः व्याकृतावस्था. This कर्म साध्य लोक is व्याकृत अवस्था, which is कार्य अवस्था. कर्माश्रयो लोको हिरण्यगर्भाख्यः. All the karmas they finally culminate in Hiranyagarbha padam, Hiranyagarbhakyah. Tam karma samvayinam lokam vyakritam parichinnam ya upaste. Tam karma samvayinam lokam, which is vyakritam. It is manifest, but at the same time it is parichinnam. So all visheshanas are given for loka. Ya upaste. Those who do Hiranyagarbha upasana or Hiranyagarbha loka praptyartham upasana. Tasya kila parichinna karmatma darshinaha karma karma kshiyate. For that person, parichinna karmatma darshinaha karma kshiyate. Purva Pakshi says. So this part they agree that up to Hiranyagarbha loka prapti, whatever you have done karma, that karma will have kshaya. It is all anitya. It is for Vyakrita loka. Tika परिच्छिन्नः कर्मात्मा तत्साध्यो व्याकृतावस्थो लोकस तस्मिन् अहंग्रहोपासकस्य इति यावत्. परिच्छिन्नः कर्मात्मा, कर्मात्मा इज परिच्छिन्न, तत्साध्यो व्याकृतावस्थो लोकः. Karmatma means this loka, which is karma sadhya, and it is Vyakrita, Hiranyagarbha loka. And how one will attain that? Tasmin ahangraho pasakasya. Tasmin ahangraho. So this karmashraya lokaha. that samasa vigraha is given. कर्म आत्मा तत्साध्यो व्याकृतावस्थो लोकः तस्मिन् अहंग्रहोपासकस्य इति यावत् कर्माश्रयो लोकः. किल शब्दस्तु पूर्ववत्. अगेन देयर इज सेकंड किल. तस्य किल परिच्छिन्न कर्मात्मदर्शिनः कर्म क्षीयते. You have to remember all this is Bhartru Prapancha Mata. This is how they think it will work. It will not work. Means in some things we agree, like this portion we agree, but we don't say this lokam is of two types, etc. etc. द्वितीयं लोक शब्दार्थम अनुद्य तद उपासकस्य लाभम दर्शयति. द्वितीय लोक शब्दार्थ इज अव्याकृत. तमेव कर्म समवायिनम लोकम अव्याकृतावस्थम कारण रूपम आपाद्य यस्तु उपास्ते तस्य अपरिच्छिन्न कर्मात्मदर्शित्वात् तस्य कर्म न क्षीयत इति. And so the one who has कारण अवस्था उपासनम, कारण रूपम उपासनम, he will get अपरिच्छिन्न कर्म फलम because he is doing अपरिच्छिन्न कर्म आत्मदर्शी. दर्शी means upasaka. So तस्य कर्म न क्षीयते. टीका. यथा कुंडलादेः अंतर्बहिरन्वेषणे सुवर्णातिरिक्त रूपानुपलम्भात् तद्रूपेण अस्य नित्यत्वं तथा कर्म साध्यं हिरण्यगर्भादि लोकं कार्यत्वात् अव्याकृतं कारणम् एव इति अंगीकृत्य यस् तस्मिन् अहं बुद्ध्या उपास्ते तस्य अपरिच्छिन्न कर्म साध्य लोकात्म उपासकत्वाद् ब्रह्मवित्वं कर्मित्वं च घटते तस्य खलु आत्मैव कर्म तेन तस्य तन्न क्षीयते. कुंडलादेहे अंतर्बहिर अन्वेषणे. Kundala is there, Suvarna Kundala. You look inside, outside, everything. Suvarnatirikta Rupa Anupalambhat. This is Karana Vichara. Earlier was Karya. So Suvarna is Nitya. Suvarna Abhushana is Anitya. In this way, he gives Drashtanta. Suvarnatirikta Rupa Anupalambhat. Tad Rupena Asya Nityatvam. Suvarna Rupena Nityatvam. तथा. So of this is दृष्टांत. तथा कर्म साध्यम हिरण्यगर्भादि लोकम कार्यत्वात् अव्याकृतम कारणम एव इति अंगीकृत्य. हिरण्यगर्भादि लोक is कार्य. कार्यत्वात् it will have कारणम, right? So कारणम एव अव्याकृतम and its हिरण्यगर्भ लोक कारणम will be अव्याकृतम. Avyakritam, like how it is given in Ishavasya, Hiranyagarbha and Avyakrita Upasana Samuchaya is given. Sambhuti Asambhuti there. Karanameva iti angikritya yas tasmin aham buddhya upaste. Yaha tasmin karane avyakrite aham buddhya upaste. Tasya apariच्छिन्न कर्म साध्य लोकात्म upasakatvat. So that Avyakrita, he thinks it is अपरिच्छिन्न कर्म साध्य लोक upasakatvad brahmavitvam karmitvam cha ghatate. So he will become, see, Avyakrita shabda is used for Ishvara also. Avyakrita is used for Ishvara's upadhi also. Both are there. So here he is using that Saguna Brahma, and therefore he is Brahmavid and Karmi also. Because of Avyakrita Upasana, he is Saguna Brahma Jnani. Hiranyagarbha is Karya here. In the second Vikalpa, Hiranyagarbhadi Lokam is Karya. Therefore its Karanam is Avyakrita. In that Karana, he does Aham Buddhi. I am this. So I am this Saguna Brahma, which is Karanam for Hiranyagarbha also. Hiranyagarbhadi are Karya Brahma. And Saguna Brahma is Karana Brahma. So they do this. Aham Buddhya Upaste. Tasya Aparichhinna Karma Sadhya Lokatma Upasakatvat. So he is doing this Aparichinna Karma Sadhya Loka Atma Upasana Brahmavitvam Karmitvam Cha Ghatate. So he will have Brahma Jnanitvam and other karmas he is doing. Tasya Khalu Atmaiva Karma Tena Tasya Tanna Kshiyate. For that person, Atma Eva Karma. That Atma Karma Na Hasya Karma Kshiyate. They say this is how his karma kshaya will not happen because he has done Karana Brahma Upasana. Yah punah Advaita Avastham Upaste Tasya Atmaiva Karma Bhavati Iti Hi Bhartr Prapanchair Uktam Ityartha. Yah punah Advaita Avastham Upaste. Advaita Avastham Upasana means Aham Eva Avyakrita, Aham Eva Saguna Brahma. Upasana is there. Tasya Atmaiva Karma Bhavati. Only for that person, Atma is karma. That karma kshaya is not there. And anybody who does Hiranyagarbhadi Upasana or Upasana with Bhed Buddhi, there is kshaya. This is Bhartru Prapanchaihi Uktam Ityartha. So that same person in Karana Rupa Avastha, when he does Upasana, means understanding that I am this Karana Brahma. Then there is no kshaya. Avyakrita avastham karana rupam apadya. Tika atmanam ityadi samuchaya param iti praptam paksham pratyaha. So atmanam eva lokam upasita, in that Purvapakshis mata is samuchaya mata. Samuchaya param praptam paksham pratyaha. Towards that it is said bhavati yang shobhana kalpana natu shrauti. This is a wonderful kalpana, shobhana kalpana, but it is not shruti mata. Shrautatva abhave hetumaha. Why it is not shruti mata kalpana? Swaloka shabdena prakritasya paramatmano abhihitatvat. By swaloka, Paramatma is already explained. Abhihitatvat means in this way its abhidhanam is done. Tika स्वं लोकम अदृष्ट्वा इत्यत्र स्वलोक शब्देन परस्य प्रकृतस्य आत्मानम् एव इत्यत्र प्रकृतहान अप्रकृत प्रक्रिया परिहारार्थम उक्तत्वात् नात्र लोक द्वैविध्य कल्पना युक्ता इत्यर्थः. स्वं लोकम अदृष्ट्वा, when it is said स्वलोक शब्देन परस्य प्रकृतस्य, that prakarana started swaloka means Paramatma, parasya prakritasya. Atmanam eva iti atra prakrita hana. So then again when it is said Atmanam eva iti lokam upasita, there you created two loka. Earlier swaloka shabdena Paramatma is defined. Then in Atmanam eva loka you said there are two, Vyakrita, Avyakrita. Then what will happen? Prakrita hana, aprakrita prakriya, or prakrita hani. No, this is Shruta hani, ashruta kalpana, how we say here, it is given prakrita hana aprakrita prakriya. Shruta hana ashruta kalpana, but he is not using the word kalpana. Prakrita hana means he say I am not doing shruta hani, I am using shruti only, but prakarana is changing. And all these mantras, you can see the complexity, how whether it is jnana prakarana, upasana prakarana. Sometimes people say if everybody uses the same Upanishad, why there are mata bheda in Vedanta? The Vishishtadvaita is there, upasana is should be done or not, sadhya is karana brahma or karya karana vilakshana brahma, and why bhakti cannot give moksha. All these different matams, because these things are understood differently by different acharyas. So here Tikakar says, prakrita hana aprakrita prakriya. This will happen. Tasya pariharthartham uktatvad. Na atra lokadvaividya kalpana yukta ityartha. So this lokadvaividya kalpana is not appropriate here. That Hiranyagarbha and Avyakrita in this way. Further in Tika, Loka Shabdena atra Paramatma Parigrahe Hetvantaram aha. By Loka Shabda, why did you take Paramatma? Somebody will say. Then you are saying now there is Prakrita Virodha. So Swam Lokam iti Prastutya Swa Shabdam Vihaya Atma Shabda Prakshepena. Earlier it was said Swam Lokam, then Swa Shabda is given up. Instead of Swa, Atma Shabda is used. Atma Shabda Prakshepena. Punas Tasyaiva Pratinirdeşat Atmanameva Lokam Upasita iti. It is there. यथा लोकस्य स्वशब्दार्थो विशेषणम तथा आत्मानम इति अत्र स्वशब्द पर्याय आत्मशब्दार्थः. लोकस्य स्वशब्दार्थ is विशेषणम स्वलोकम and atma is swashabda paryaya, and swashabda means atma. So swashabda paryaya atma shabdartha tasya visheshanam drishyate न च कर्मफलस्य मुख्यम आत्मत्वम. कर्मफलस्य मुख्य आत्मत्वम न. अतो लोक शब्दो अत्र परमात्मा एव इत्यर्थः. Therefore Siddhanti says here loka shabda is Paramatma. Why? Because karmaphala cannot have mukhya atma shabda. Karmaphalasya na mukhyam atmatvam. Means karmaphala is not mukhya atma. Because it is anitya. Prakaranat visheshanacha siddham artham darshayati. And the prakarana is also of this visheshanacha. Tatra karma samavai loka kalpanaya anavasara eva. Karma samavai loka kalpana, that this samuchaya is done with karma. There is no avasara only. Anavasara means there is no opportunity for it. Parasyaiva loka shabdarthatve hetvantaram aha. Parasyaiva loka shabda. Para itself is loka shabda. Another hetu is given. Parena cha kevala vidya vishayena visheshanat kim prajaya karishyamo yeshan no ayam atma ayam loka iti. Parena kevala vidya vishayena visheshanat. Parena, what is this kevala vidya? This will be coming later. Kim praja karishyamo is there in 4.4.22. We have already seen in Anubhuti Prakasha. Kim praja karishyamaha. This loka is there where what shall we do with praja? Yesham no ayam atma. Naha. Naha means asmakam. Yesham asmakam ayam atma. Ayam loka. We want atma loka, not कर्म फल प्राप्त लोक। उक्तमेव प्रपंचयति। पुत्र कर्म अपर विद्या कृतेभ्यो हि लोकेभ्यो विशिनष्टि आत्मा नह लोक इति। व्हाट इज आवर लोक? नह लोक कह पुत्र कर्म अपर विद्या कृतेभ्यः। पुत्रेण अयं लोकः, कर्मणा पितृलोकः, पर अपर विद्यया देवलोकः। सो सेपरेटिंग आत्मलोक फ्रॉम ऑल दिस। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।